Why are my HVAC registers turning black? They usually turn black because sticky dust is being pulled toward the metal by airflow, and in some cases it is worsened by soot, candle smoke, or tiny mold growth near the vent. That black color is often not the register itself getting dirty from nowhere. Air moves through the room and carries tiny bits of dust, lint, skin flakes, and smoke, and those pieces can cling to the cooler metal edges around the vent. If the air in the house has oily particles from cooking, candles, fireplaces, or tobacco smoke, the dirt sticks even faster and can look like a dark ring. Sometimes the problem is called ghosting, which means the register shows a picture of the air path because dust collects in one place more than the rest of the wall or ceiling. A dirty filter, weak airflow, or leaky ducts can make this worse because the system may pull in more grime than it should. In some homes, high humidity helps dust stick and can also let mold grow on or around the register, which can make the black color look patchy instead of just dustist. One thing many people do not know is that very fine soot from even small flame sources can travel through the whole home and settle first on the coldest, stillest surfaces near vents. The good news is that you can often reduce it by changing the filter on time, cleaning the register, checking for leaks, and keeping candles and smoke sources to a minimum. A common mistake is scrubbing the register but never checking the filter, so the black color keeps coming back fast. A simple fix is to replace the filter regularly and make sure it fits tightly. Another mistake is assuming it is always just dust, when sometimes it is soot or mold, and that needs a closer look. If the black marks feel greasy, smell smoky, or come back quickly after cleaning, have the system inspected. People also miss that a weak return air leak can pull dirty air from attics, crawl spaces, or wall cavities. If that might be happening, seal leaks and check the duct joints carefully. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.